Hey guys, welcome back. So I am doing another voiceover this morning, so sorry if it's quieter than usual. I did film this at night, so I didn't want to disturb anyone. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave this video a big thumbs up. So as you can see in the title, this is an Aliexpress haul, and I got some really cute stuff. So the first thing we are going to start off with is these really adorable pastel foam balls. Now mainly these are listed for slime and used in slime, but they can also be used in shakers and in resin, and I think they're gonna look super cute in resin, so that is why I got them. Next I got these two little bags of cabochons, and I actually have a huge cabochon haul that I'm going to be sharing with you guys any day now. So these are both super cute. One is actually a little bit thicker than the other. One of them has three colors. This one right here, mint, pink, yellow, and the other one is mint and white. They're both super cute. Then I got these like faux sprinkles, and the pink ones are just so gorgeous, you guys. Once again, these can be used for Decoden, resin. They can be used in shakers. Over here we have some adorable sequins, you guys. I just love these little things so much. So again, you could use these in nail art, Decoden, shakers, resin, paper crafting. They are so cute, you guys. I know that everyone is gonna want to get them. I actually have a bunch more sequins on the way, a bunch of little turtles and dolphins and mermaids. I'm really excited about it. Then next we have this packaging tissue. The name is like escaping me what we usually call this stuff, you guys. But yeah, these ones are a little bit bigger than the ones I had gotten in the past, and they also come with like some silver foiled ones, so I thought that was pretty cute. I also got these. These are actually the only thing in the haul that isn't from AliExpress. These, if I remember right, are from eBay, and they were just the half pearls on a string. Then next I got these really cool things that, if I remember right, are called water bubbles. They are like totally iridescent, and they totally look like bubbles. I think Sophie and Toffee might sell a similar product, but these ones are like different sizes and they were cheaper, so I did get them from AliExpress. Next is a mold that actually turned out to be a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like a lot bigger, like coaster sized, but it did come in this like cool package. I've never seen a mold packaged like that before. Next, I got a star mold that I'm very excited about because it has that thing in the middle. So it means it's going to have like a hole in the star, so it's going to be perfect for a pendant. And it's actually a really nice size. If you can see that, it is like the size of the palm of my hand. So I do not have a star pendant mold that big yet. Then this here is really neat. This is something I've had on my wish list for a couple years now. And Sophie and Toffee did actually pick this product up last year as well. This is a trinket box mold, and you guys, look how big it is. It is as big as my entire hand, so it is a moon shape. I don't want to take it out because I don't want it to get dirty. These molds tend to be sticky, and I want it to be brand new for when I use it. It is actually for an upcoming collab. It is like a moon with wings, and I'm super excited to use it. Then next I got this 9 puffy heart mold, and then after I got it, I realized, oh my goodness, I think I might already have this mold from Sophie and Toffee, but I don't know, the one from the Elves box might be a bit smaller. Either way, you can never have enough puffy heart molds, especially if you've poured too much resin. This next mold is one of the ones I'm so super excited about because I've wanted this mold for like 4 years now, and this is the mini chocolate bar mold. Before, I could only find it on eBay, and I can't remember why I didn't buy it, if it was expensive or I just put it on my wish list and didn't pick it up, but I finally got it. Then next, this mold is actually a gift from the seller. They actually put a bunch of gifts in with this order. And here I'm pulling it open and getting very excited to see that it is a shiny mold, you guys, which means all of the pieces I make with this mold will come out shiny, and they're actually very usable molds. All of these could fit stickers in them and sequins. Nice hearts, stars, all very usable. And then I got the letters on there for the words love. Then this next bag right here is all gifts from this seller. And like I've done way bigger orders, like for way more money from other sellers and not got any gifts. So this was pretty awesome. So as you can see, they gave me like a whole bunch of these tassel charms. I think like one in every different color that they sell. And then next I am pulling out these really cute clasps, and they are in the shape of dolphins. So these are gonna work perfect for mermaid or sea themed projects. Look how cute those are. And also they have the swivel clasp, which is really awesome. So they did give me 2 of those, one in silver and one in gold. Then there is more of these tassel charms, and these are super usable. Even the ones that aren't in my colors, I can use stuff to make for other people. And there actually is a few pastel ones there, so I'm happy about that. And then next are these little connectors, and I love connectors. Anyone who used to watch my beading hauls knows I'm obsessed with connectors, and I actually have a huge connector collection, and I don't have any of these little gold connectors. I do have those stars and hearts in silver, but I don't think I have the moons. And I've had the silver moons on my wish list for, again, like 2 or 3 years. And I'm super happy now to have a few of them in gold. So I'm probably gonna buy these from the seller just to show them that, you know, if they do send me gifts, it's worth it and I will actually buy the stuff. And then hopefully they'll send me more nice gifts. Anyway, these things here are so cute, and I actually hauled these from eBay like I want to say 3 years ago, 2.5 years ago, and I wasn't even thinking at the time of using them for resin, but you can totally use these for resin. And I actually have a project that I've already used. The ones that I bought a few years ago, I like put pink and mint resin in the stars, and I will share that project with you guys soon. It is really beautiful. Those ones, however, are from Aliexpress. Then I got these, and I love these. These are the star swivel clasps. I think, got a couple of these in a Sophie and Toffee Elves box, and I thought they were so cool. I had to search up star clasps, and I ended up finding them cheaper on AliExpress, so that is why I ordered these. And I did get 1 bag of the silver and 1 bag of the gold. And you guys, they're so pretty. Honestly, I can't recommend these enough. So the next thing I'm going to show you is something, it's like one of my favorite things from this order, and it is actually like my main reason for making this order. At least I think that's what's in this package. Yeah, it is what's in this package. So some of you may have been seeing the Elves box projects lately that came with these adorable little twin star bezels, and my Elves box still has not arrived. And I actually first found these bezels on AliExpress in 2018 and put them in my cart and didn't end up buying them. And then I ended up buying them a few months ago when I got half this stuff, and I just never shared it. But now that the Elves boxes have come out with them, I was like, okay, it is time to share these now. So the pack that I got actually came with these adorable My Melody ones as well. And I just showed you a couple of the My Melody ones. Next, we have this little twin star one right here. It is so super cute. They are on a moon with a unicorn. I am so loving these bezels, you guys. Honestly, I'm thinking Sophie and Toffee might end up doing a like My Melody box as well, and some other Sanrio boxes. And if they do the My Melody box, I think they will use the My Melody bezels. And even when none of us knew what was going to be in the Sophie and Toffee box, I was like so sure that these bezels were going to be in it, and I was right. So here's another one here with Kiki and Lala, and I cannot wait to make these, you guys. Then we have another one, and this is them on their unicorn. This one, it's kind of like hard to see the unicorn's face, and there's like a star there. But yeah, Kiki and Lala are riding on a unicorn on that one. Next, we have another My Melody. Oh, and it is so precious, you guys. She's got like a little heart-shaped rose in her hand. Next, we have another little twin stars. I'm pretty sure this is one of the ones from the Sophie and Toffee box, but I wouldn't know for sure because I haven't got mine yet. And then next, we have this one with Cinnamoroll, and he is riding a unicorn that looks like the little twin star unicorn. And let's see, I think there might be a couple more, or at least one more. Oh, it is a little My Melody, and she is so super cute with that little bow on her head. So that was everything for today's haul, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos or giveaways. That's it for today, but I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for stopping by. Miss Eddie Blue.